Hey, welcome to Money Talks with Great, the channel that makes money simple, practical, and achievable for anyone who's ready to build real financial confidence. I'm Great, and my mission is straightforward: to help you understand money, grow your income, and build wealth, even if you're starting completely from zero. Let's be honest, most of us were never taught how money actually works. We weren't taught how to budget in a way that actually sticks. Nobody explained investing in a simple, beginner-friendly way. And definitely, nobody taught us how to escape that cycle of always feeling behind, saving a little, spending a lot, and praying everything somehow balances out. That's exactly why this channel exists, to give you the real, practical money game that schools never taught, but life absolutely requires. Because once you understand how money works, everything changes. Your confidence, your opportunities, your freedom, and even the way you think. Here, we break things down in a way that's simple, clear, and actually doable. This is the place where you'll learn how to build a strong financial foundation, step by step. A foundation that gives you options, protects your peace of mind, and puts you in control of your life no matter where you're starting from. So what can you expect from this channel? Simple money management tips you can apply the same day. Beginner-friendly investing guides that remove the fear and confusion. Side hustles and income ideas. You can start with little or no money. Smart budgeting methods that help you finally stop being broke. Strategies to save faster, stay consistent, and hit your financial goals quicker. Mindset shifts and discipline habits that help you stay focused and intentional long-term. But beyond all the tips and strategies, there's something even more important happening here. You're not doing this alone. This channel is more than content. It's a community of people who want better habits, better choices, better futures. Whether you're a student, a young adult figuring things out, or someone rebuilding their life from the ground up, you belong here. And listen, if you've been feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or like you should be further ahead by now, I want you to breathe for a second. You're not late. You're not behind. You're not failing. You're learning. And you're making the decision right now to take control, and that already puts you ahead. Every week, I'll be dropping videos that give you clarity, confidence, and the practical steps you need to actually improve your financial life. No complicated jargon. No fake get-rich-quick advice. No fluff. Just real, honest guidance you can start using immediately. Because when you learn how to manage money the right way, something powerful happens. You start believing in yourself more. You start seeing progress. You start realizing that financial freedom isn't just for other people. It's for you too. So if you're ready to take control of your money, grow your income, and finally level up your financial life, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because what's coming will change the way you see money forever. Welcome to Money Talks with Great, where your money starts working for you. Thanks for joining the family. Your financial journey starts right now. Let's grow together.